Welcome to Blood of 08. Take heart
Again. Now, again. Yeah.
It's not even close.
over again.
It's not even close to what it was before, though.
Yep. No, but it did clear up a little bit, but now it's raining again. And it's only like 5 minutes later.
Woo! Except you guys got to go to the bathroom
Yeah,
this
we're
time.
still trying to get on the same ride,
So, no more potty.
but they're not letting people on again.
How can they let those people on? Darn it. We need to run faster. Cause that'd be cool to like film it from up there.
I'm tired of this rain. They're making... Well, it's only been going on for like 10 minutes.
Yeah, but it's like
Look, it's clear right there.
no.
It's clear right there.
And then it's evil. Nice evil, nice evil.
I want to go on the transit while it's raining.
Me too.
That'd be so cool.
We on again.
Yeah.
Yay!
Except we're not even in
Okay, go,
line.
go, go, go.
Yeah, we are.
There we are.
Get on with those
This is the
people.
line.
I mean, they're like hard because they don't know how to make a line.
It's a group. It's a group.
I
This
feel
is gonna be fun.
bad.
Why?
Right here. It was my nose.
Oh my gosh, we got a video too. Say hi to YouTube. Hi. Oh no, I'm like stuck in here. I see your ear. Ear.
We're gonna go up the escalator and it's gonna be fun.
Maybe not. I'm like stuck in this.